Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to another walkthrough from UA code 127.0.0.1. Students, hope so you are good and doing well in your life, and as you know, I'm working on TryHackme walkthrough series, and today I'm going to cover a very interesting walkthrough, that is Year of the Rabbit. Here you can see it's a small walkthrough, but don't worry, in this walkthrough we have covered a lot of detailed information how you can actually find the information for normal user, and how you can find useful information about the root user. So let's start. Kali Linux machine is running, and I'm going to connect my TryHackme VPN. In order to work on TryHackme, you should connect to TryHackme VPN. So I'm going to open VPN, and the target machine is also running, as you can see. So guys, first of all, simply I'm going to scan my target machine by using nmap. Okay, first I'm going to ping the target machine in order to check my network is work properly or not. 10.10.63.229 and hit enter. Okay, here you can see it's work fine. Now I will use nmap to scan my target machine. .229 and hit enter. Nmap going to start scanning, and after a few moments it will show me results. Okay students, here you can see the scan result of nmap against the target machine. Port 21 is open, mean to say FTP. I can access FTP server of this target machine. SSH port is also open, that is 22, and the servers running on this port is 6.71 and Debian. Here you can see guys, the port 80 is also open, and servers running on its Apache HTTPD. Okay, now I'm going to my browser window. If I go there, Firefox, and hit enter. Now I want to actually check the port 80 of this target machine. Okay, here if I type the IP address of target machine 10.10.10. Every time I forget the IP address, 10.10.63.229 and hit enter. Here you can see guys, on port 80 and Apache server is running. Okay students, now I'm going to use GoBuster in order to find the hidden directories of this target machine. Okay, for this purpose, first of all, I'm going to install GoBuster. Hit enter. Okay, it will take some time in order to install the packages of GoBuster. You have to wait. Okay, it's installed successfully. Now I'm going to use GoBuster in order to find the hidden directories for this target machine. GoBuster, and then I want to use the IP address of this target machine. I'm going to copy this here and paste it here, and then the path I will provide: user, share, wordleaks, Derby, and then from Derby I will use common text and hit enter. So guys, here you can see GoBuster try to find out the hidden directories of this target machine. Okay, here you can see, if I'm going to try this one, that is assets. I'm going to copy this and paste it here and hit enter. Here you can see Okay, I will remove the space from here. Guys, here you can see in assets directory some interesting information I am find. Parent directory, if I click on this, nothing is important. Then here I am going to click and you can see some interesting information. Okay guys, if I move to the style .css directory, guys, here you can see different information, and nice to see someone checking the style sheets. Take a look at the page, this one. Okay guys, I'm going to copy this page. Here you can see I find a page. Okay, I'm go there and copy the page name and then paste it here. If I hit enter, okay, if I go there and hit enter, okay students, here you can see when I dig up the super 3 secret flag 4 page, you can see word of advice, turn off your JavaScript. Okay, let's move. I'm going to open Burp Suite in order to capture request from different pages. So I try to open Burp Suite. Okay, Burp Suite was open. Now I'm going to capture the request of this page. If I typed here this one and then hit enter, you can see, okay, here you can see Burp Suite captured the request. Now I'm going to forward it. Students, you can see here is a hidden directory I find, that is this one. I'm going to copy this directory. Okay, now move to my browser window. If I paste it here, this directory name, and hit enter, here I should turn off the intercept. Okay, now guys, you can see here is a image. I find an image, you can see. Okay students, now I'm going to enumerate this image in order to find more detail about my target. I'm going to copy this one and move to my terminal window. Here I will use the wget command and then paste the URL and hit enter. Here you can see that this image is now downloaded in my local machine. Here you can see. Okay, now I'm going to use EXIF tool. First of all, I'm going to install it. Okay, students, here I'm going to use the EXIF tool, and first of all I'm going to install EXIF tool by using this command. Students, basically EXIF tool is a free open source software program, and it will use to enumerate, it will use to read, write and manipulate image data, audio data and video data. So here you can see I have find an image and I can find interesting detail about this image by using EXIF tool. First of all, I'm going to install this tool by using this command. You can take this command from Google. Okay guys, EXIF tool going to install, and after a few moments it will install. Then I am able to enumerate this image by using EXIF tool. Hit enter. Okay, here you can see this tool is installed successfully. Now if I typed here EXIF tool and then image name, that is hot.babe.png, and hit enter. So guys, you can see here I find some interesting information about my this image. Now if I typed here strings, okay guys, here you can see after type string and then the name of image, you can see I'm finding some interesting information about this image. You can see here you have earned this username for FTP is this one. Here you can see I'm successfully find the username for FTP username. By using Hydra, I can find the valid password for this user. Here you can see, and one of these is the password. Below there you can see a detailed list of passwords which I find from this image, and I'm also successfully find the username. Now guys, I'm going to copy this password list. Okay, I'm going to copy this and move to my new terminal window, and here I'm going to create a new file by using nano editor. Here I type nano and then pass.txt and hit enter, and then I will paste all the selected password in this file, and now I'm going to save it and hit enter, and then I'm close this file. Here you can see that all the passwords are saved here now in pass file. Okay guys, now I'm going to use Hydra in order to fetch valid password for FTP user. Hydra hyphen L for user FTP user. As you can see, FTP user, FTP user. Okay, now I'm typed here P for password, and then my target, my password list file, and then here I typed FTP, and then the target IP address. Target IP address is 10.10.63.229, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, Hydra is going to fetch the valid password for the user FTP. Here you can see the working of Hydra is going on, and after a few moments you can see here guys, Hydra successfully find the valid password for this user. Here you can see. Okay, now if I type here FTP and then the target IP address, that is 10.10.63.229, and hit enter, and then username FTP user and hit enter. Password I should copy from here, and then I'm going to paste it password place. Okay, now guys, you can see I'm successfully logged into the FTP server. You can see here is a file that I find. You can see now I'm use the get command in order to copy this file into my local machine. I'm going to copy its name and paste it here, hit enter. Okay, you can see transfer complete. Now I'm going to goodbye FTP. Okay, it should be this one, hit enter. Okay, so guys, if I type here ls, you can see here the file is copied now in my local machine. If I am going to cat and this one and hit enter, you can see here data present in this file is in this form. Students, this basically this is a programming language in which this information is shown, and now I am going to use this tool in order to find, in order to encrypt this information. Okay, I'm going to use this website. hit entered. Okay students, now I will copy all the content from here. I'm going to copy this and go to the website and paste it here. Okay students, when I execute it, you can see here I'm successfully find the password. You can see here and the user. Now I'm going to SSH. Yes, hit enter. I should put password for this user. So guys, here you can see I'm successfully logged into this user. Okay, one new message from root to this user. I'm not happy with you. Check out this. I think this is the directory name, hiding place. I have left you a hidden message for there. Okay. Now, if I move to this folder, I'm going to copy it from here and paste it there. Hit enter. Okay, paste it here. Now it's time to find the flag for root user. Okay, how actually now I could find the password for the root user. Okay, students, it's time for privilege escalation. Now if I type here the sudo -l and hit enter, here you can see guys that this user can edit user.txt file by using vi editor. Guys, here I'm going to use sudo command with one user ID. Basically this is the ID that I want to use in order to get root access. User bin vi home and then user.txt. Okay, if I hit enter, here you can see okay, VI editor is open. If I type here this one and now I'm going to save it. Hit enter. Okay students, now if I type here who am I, you can see I'm now successfully login as root user. If I type here ls-la and hit enter. Okay guys, here you can see the flag for root user is present. Now I can copy the content of this flag by using cat command. Actually this is the flag for the root user. Before that you see this flag is already I fetch. Actually this is the flag for the normal user. Students, in this way actually you can escalate privilege by using sudo command. Here you can see I use this command in order to get root user access. I type here sudo and then use ID 1. If you type this ID, then easily you can get root access. Students, this is today lecture. In this lecture actually you see how you can privilege escalate. So tomorrow I will come to you with my new walkthrough of TryHackme. Hope so guys, you will practice about today walkthrough and definitely you will learn. Till tomorrow I want to say you Allah Hafiz.